As the workplace goes through a transformative time with the rise of automation and AI, what can employees do to optimize their human potential? Companies that enhance employees' capabilities in areas like cultural awareness, communication, conflict resolution, negotiation, and feedback can therefore expect a positive return in the long run. With the right training in key soft skills areas, employees can navigate their roles with more creativity, empathy, and agility, ultimately driving their companies to succeed in the human aspects of business that machines can't replicate. By the way, we're UXEC. We create business presentation templates and spreadsheet models to save you hours of work. Follow us to receive weekly business templates and spreadsheets that will propel your career forward. A work environment where cultural competence is prized leads to enhanced communication and problem-solving capabilities. This ecosystem can be visualized through the lens of the diversity wheel model, which consists of 4 layers that contribute to an individual's cultural identity. Starting with thinking style, which is the core dimension that dictates how we naturally think and communicate as human beings. Then the internal dimensions, such as ethnicity, gender, or age. Elements of the internal dimensions are largely out of our control, but can still easily have a powerful impact on our behaviors and attitudes. Following that, we reach the external dimensions, such as socioeconomic status, religion and spirituality, education background, or recreational habits. These elements are within our control, and our choices formed by environmental, social, and cultural factors and personal experiences. Finally, we reach the organizational dimensions, such as work experience, management status, or department. Behaviors and attitudes in the organizational dimensions are largely determined or at least influenced by the team or company in which we work. The whole point of diversity in the workplace is not just about tolerance. Culturally competent employees are primed to contribute more to the organization and become higher performing. By the way, this video only covers some workplace soft skills. For more soft skills training and development tools, you can download our full presentation on the topic. Good storytelling shouldn't be limited to when a company needs to sell products to customers. It should also be applied to how employees communicate their ideas and findings to each other and to higher ups. A good framework to consider when you're the storyteller is the 3 R's of storytelling. Being remarkable in storytelling involves unexpected twists, powerful emotions, or profound insights that make the story unforgettable. Relevance in storytelling relates to how well the narrative addresses current issues, interests, or needs of the audience. This is especially important when it comes to communicating strategic decisions based on current market trends and demands. Relatability in storytelling refers to creating characters, situations, or themes that resonate with the audience's experiences, emotions, and challenges. Frameworks like the Thomas Kilmann conflict model help employees gain insight into their own and others' conflict handling styles. The Thomas Kilmann model identifies 5 primary conflict handling modes based on assertiveness on the y-axis and cooperativeness on the x-axis. For example, in a competing mode, which is fueled by high assertiveness and low cooperativeness, the focus of the conflict is to get your perspective accepted. Understanding one's preferred conflict handling style and then adapting it to the situation can lead to more effective resolutions and workplace dynamics. Remember, you can find more tools related to soft skills training in our full presentation, which you can download and customize to your team's unique needs. Last but not least, the art of feedback. Feedback is not only hard to give, but can also be hard to receive. The feedback matrix takes the guesswork out of how feedback should be handled. The matrix includes 4 key quadrants: collaborative, investigative, informative, and corrective. Feedback should go beyond mere criticism to become a tool for personal and professional development. It encourages not only the highlighting of areas of excellence, but also the exploration of future possibilities. It's no surprise that those who are equipped with good soft skills can devote more energy into creative ideas that drive innovation, or even become effective leaders that bring out the best in their peers. So, what are some soft skills that have helped your career in the past? Leave your story in the comments so we can learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching.